The East Lansing School District is waiting to hear back from the health department after a senior who was at yesterday's graduation ceremony was diagnosed with whooping cough. Her parents notified the high school after getting the diagnosis today. We asked Superintendent Dory Lako if the girl was contagious at the ceremony. She said she'll leave that to the doctors. The high school principal emailed information to parents and told anyone with symptoms to see a doctor. The district won't take any action until they talk with the health department.